Watch, watch, watch. For the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? A franchise is choosing one. The 10-star general. And you know when time I come for represent for Gaza and Alliance, you know a full effect. You know what go Gaza Nation. Anytime I ear them up, load up, crank up, and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. Watch. You know a loud explosion thing. So watch it make the general explode a little bit. Because right now I see some cancer shit a go on. So here me I say Gaza Nation. Me hear some local bloggers. Then you know what we do on YouTube or all entertainment, right? So even once you touch dancehall topic or dancehall debate or debut, whatever you want, even if this is a discussion, it's an entertainment shit, you see me, because the name dancehall alone don't speak for itself. But here me I say, this is how contrary and this is how false some man is to them own channel, because them channel are them brand, you know. To them own channel and to the people them who subscribe to them channel, you know. Because the people them should be them fans, you know. Somebody just show them how false them is to them own channel and to them brand, you know what I mean? And the character where them have behind them brand, it weak. You know what I mean? A contrary is just like, it's just like some reporter will I put out some false news, you know what I mean? Just to get the public eye to make them newspaper sell. We not deal with them lollipop thing there. Because right about now, the man them a say. Then, man them a say. Right now. Hi, how are you? Okay. Yeah, the man them a say right now. Look on the two veteran them, Beanie Man and Elephant Man a clash. You know what I mean? Yo, you should have feel shame for even talk about that, my virgin. Look where dancehall turn to, you know. And the two veteran them, you know. I feel give the people then enjoyment, you know. The two veteran them. I feel give the people them enjoyment. And you have so much young entertainer who bust out in the business. But I tell you now, say the man then turn dancehall in some hip-hop fashion business. That are the reason why you see them now get no bookings to go a certain place. Don't watch what them are going, you know. Them just look who and who, you know. Get certain top bookings, you know, to go perform in front of some stadium. I not tell you about some local club, you know. I tell you about stadium. Just look who and who you see. Get bookings to them type of event there. Right now, you know, them water down dancehall. The new artists them, the new producer them, the new promoter them, the whole of them together water down dancehall. But nowadays, when dancehall hot, listen, the way how you get dancehall hot, we don't even go in the back in the days, because you don't ever have to go so far. Because you can rise some Vybz Kartel to Movada. Good night. You could rise some Vybz Kartel to Movada.
What have a package?
For what apartment?
807.
807, let me check. Hi.
I'm not sure if you stand took it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is right?
Thank you so much.
Alright. Watch. Sorry about that. You know the thing going there on the 20 multitasking, is it? Yeah, so me I say, you could turn back to Vybz Kartel and Movada. Look where get the man them at, you know. Every time Vybz Kartel drop a diss track, Movada they on the same track with a counteraction. Every time Movada drop a diss track, Vybz Kartel they on the same track with a counteraction. So you see the producer them time there, a beer hits them a find off of this track. That's one of the main reasons why Bounty Killer and Beanie Man locked down the business for so long. You know what I mean? Hi, good evening. Yes, so man, really, that's the main reason why the man them lock down the business so long. You know what I mean? And first time, you used to have a whole heap of artists on the same track, so the rhythm becomes a hit. You know what I mean? And sometimes you get some big monster hit out of it. And that's the main reason why you know see the international artists are run down. Come down here, and I run come for do collaboration with dancehall artists because the man them a change the game. First it was be a hardcore dancehall song you have. You know what I mean? We have hardcore dancehall song where an hardcore dancehall rhythm where more than 2, 3, 4 artists on it. And them a perform well. And more time the whole of the song them on the rhythm it. Look on rhythm like Dry Ride. Look on Pepper Seed and them rhythm there. Them rhythm there shot. You know what I mean? Look on the bug rhythm and all them rhythm there. Them rhythm there tear down the whole place. And people want to jump on them rhythm there. Because a be a hit song off of them rhythm there. You have more than one artist. No, but this producer, he want to work with certain type of artists. Them artists, yeah, them pick them side over your son, them stand up together, and them not even do them never do shows together. Then the thing that must separate. If you are go left, you are go right, you are go east, you are go north. Not dividing the thing I divide, man. Everybody are pull apart and I divide and I left the big cake. You know what I mean? And the hip hop artists them just come in and just rope it in. Rope in the big cake, you know what I mean? Because I just look a piece them man a sacrifice or hype behind it. Good, how you doing?
Did the delivery person just drop off food or not?
No, not do enough. You know what I mean? So that alone, what them do, create a separation there and divide. You see what I'm dealing? Good evening. That's why they show them the concert them not so big like one time and if you notice a Sunfest and them show they alone you can talk about tours and maybe Rebel Salute and certain and Junior Gang boat ride and them show them. You show them now bringing the tourists them like that because them what them are doing you know. I cut out dancehall culture and I running at the man them shit you know. And know them they still up in at that, you know. You can't imagine, like all 4 or 5 bad artists right now, but everyone call an artist name, call like that. You know what I mean? Like, me never fuck, me never care a fuck. Say, you have Vybz Kartel, Alkaline, Movado, Popcorn, Idona, Massacre, and them youth up on the same rhythm. You think a lollipop thing that? All the mix tape for all them rhythm there. You see all mix tape come like it hardly a sell. Mix tape. Man I feel go hard and not bust them brain for pitch patch up for make good mix tape. Yo, remember all them time that all the CD man make beer money in my virgin. The CD man who sell mix a beer money he make in my virgin. Be a vehicle man a pull up on him want them stuff in you know, man. Because the thing a bomb down in you know, and a lollipop thing you know. Y'all all listen all the radio and all listen all It's 92 and them thing they feel all 1 hour straight hits in you know, my virgin. Thing nice you know. You can't listen to them thing no more. Y'all listen to them thing they all hip hop thing all chip in. A real thing me I tell you about all that and music. You know what I mean? The thing get watered down. And the artists them segregate from them one another. You know what I mean? Likewise the producer and likewise promoter too. Because promoter play a big role in this, you know. And promoter is a guy who go around, you know, and take argument from other artists and don't want to put certain artists on them show, you know, and fuck up everything, you know. See everything fuck up now because this thing can't work by una alone, you know. Una have to come together and make this shit work, you know. You know what I mean? So when me hear na talk about bounty killer when me hear na talk about elephant and beanie man, una show be ashamed on yourself. Una not tell una artist say yo una for step up the pace. And if Una think una bad lyrically like that, una supposed to give the people them where them want. One time when me a youth, you say if you go in a business place, you see me a deal and you buy something over the counter, you see the cashier, you say she disrespect you, or she even go halfway upon you, and you make the manager know that a fire should get fired. The product, the customer come first. The customer come first. You know what I mean? And that's why we have product to sell, because we don't buy product for sell. We don't buy product by ourselves. We buy product for sell to customer. So have some respect for the customer. So if I have respect for the people them who love dancehall, give the people them what them want. You know what I mean? Before on a bus and get so hype and cockatoo, I never saw neither move. You need to walk all 20 miles for go to the studio and they will feel nowhere. But now on a bus, man a cut 10 and say fuck that. Him a do him. You know what I mean? You not do for the music. You not do for the music. So when you come and I talk about Elephant and Beanie Man, but just want to show you should be the shame on yourself. The last big impact going in a dancehall, a Vybz Kartel and Movado. The last big impact going in a hardcore dancehall, a Movado and Vybz Kartel. You hear that? The two of them have international hit song after that too, from Billboard. No lollipop thing. You hear me? Because Movado have I'm So Special and Vybz Kartel have Ramping Shop. Right? In the season when them act like fire. From that go on and Charlie Box drop the big tune. You see me I deal it? And they take Vybz Kartel again for come back with Fever. But they ever go mention party next door with Not Nice. But they ever go make a goal at sell. You see me I deal it? I do some guy show at that it take for come back for get another big song in the international market like that. And we have so many young artists who claims them a live off a hype. No, we don't reach nowhere yet. I mean like we don't make money, we have no doubt about that. Money is not all. We could have made go further than that in the dancehall. A buck on a buck, on a one piece. What am I to know? On a timing chain wear out. Or the chain slip off of the pedal. I don't understand where the next gear wanna catch, where the next level wanna put it. You don't know how me deal with my thing already, I don't deal with fairy tales thing, So one time I see me, attack me with lollipop thing, And I'm not running in my comment box with stupidness, Because when I represent, I represent to the fullest, nothing about the truth, I say the last biggest impact going in a dance, in a hardcore dancehall, a Vybz Kartel and Movado. You hear that? I'm telling you something. The artists them wanna boots up. I just hype them up. All know no artist no pass popcorn. A real thing. Popcorn, if you look at you, I never think him ready for start perform. Some of the song them where him sing. Cause some of the song them where him sing bigger than him. A real thing. Him not ready for perform them, not reach the age to perform them song there yet. So when I push up artists and I try to push artists in front of the man, some artists do some song with hype this month and next month you don't ever remember it. You know what I mean? A long time Popcorn I do some big song where them as long as dancehall exists, them song they can't play. Yeah, can't stop play. You know what I mean? I want to hear man sing some song, I wonder if a man lifestyle Popcorn or watch or whatever, you know what I mean? I'm from a place where dog eat dog, I know about living with hard. How the fuck Popcorn for say that? Eh? Pre-Popcorn a pre-how man live dog? Can't believe that. Look at you to find all them songs there. Gangster City, Gangster Paradise. Come like couldn't even know like a man lifestyle the man a sing about. A real thing. I don't know a lollipop thing. You know what I mean? Real thugs never forget the dumb plan. Now where them come from. A painful song them there dog. You feel them song that to your heart dog. A real band get a youth. I don't have a lollipop thing. And some artists when me hear on boots up, them could have sing a million songs, them now have one of them classic there. Go and go do no research and check them file now. You think I just hype on Ray? Yo, I don't know the general, the 10-star one, you know. It take, you know, for some great man, you know, for no great people, you know. I know see all of the great musicians them come out and give Vybz Kartel the respect what I'm supposed to get, right? You hear a beta man talk about him. Then? And more time I hear some bloggers that talk like them not see Vybz Kartel as the person there. Alright, Vybz Kartel there in a prison. The guys them where them have boots up, you know. Them there road. Oh, them there road. And them there. And them now put in a work for reach panda level. A man want talk a man into the level. The work now put in that him can reach a level. You know what I mean? So that mean it look like to me, you know, I guess them. Cause them there road and Vybz Kartel music still a travel faster for them on and bigger for them on and I create bigger impact out of street than for them on. You see what I deal with that mean? It come like a them there prison. For real. Watch the general, the 10-star one, Gaza Nation, and I know the thing go already. Watch. 10-star way, Gaza way. Watch. General. Watch.